Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will solve the questions from the chapter called Rational Numbers. The given question is verify that minus into minus x is the same as x for x is equal to minus 21 upon 31. So let us see how we can verify this. The question has given us this number x is equal to minus 21 upon 31. This is the number that the question has given us. The question has given us x is equal to minus 21 upon 31 and the question is asking us to verify. What to verify? To verify that minus into minus x is the same as x is the same as x. That means we can write minus into minus x is equal to x. This is what we need to verify. What we need to verify? We need to verify that minus into minus x is equal to x. So let us pick up the left hand side of this equation. The left hand side of the equation says what it says, minus into minus x. Guys, we very well know that if we multiply minus with any minus, the negative into negative, it gives us a positive figure. If I multiply minus into minus a, we will get a. Or in other words, I can say this, we can write this one as minus into minus a is nothing but minus 1 into minus a, that is equal to plus a. If we multiply any negative with a negative, we will get positive. This is what we very well know, and I believe we all know this. Negative into negative gives us a positive figure. So now I can write the left hand side of the equation as, or that is equal to, what I can write is equal to minus into minus x. So this I can write instead of x, I am going to replace this value with, instead of x, I am going to replace this value with 21. So instead of this value, I am going to replace this value with 21 upon 31. This is what I have done. So the question has given us, instead of x, I have just replaced the value of x as minus 21 upon 31, that is being given in the question. So what we got? We got minus into minus 21 upon 31. Or I can write this one as, guys, don't get confused here. So this place is here for confusion, so don't get confused here with the symbols I will suggest. So let this minus be here first, and let us solve the negative values within the bracket. Now guys, this minus inside the bracket and this minus inside the bracket will become plus. So 21 upon 31. Guys, I hope till here we are very clear. So what we did, first of all, I tried to solve these symbols for the symbols within the bracket. Now this negative symbol and this negative symbol, it became plus. As I told you earlier, here minus into minus 1, it became plus. So what we got now? We got minus 21 upon 31, or that is equal to, I can write straight away without the bracket as minus 21 upon 31. So this is our left hand side of the equation. Therefore left hand side of the equation, what we got? Minus 21 upon 31. We got left hand side of the equation as minus 21 upon 31. Now let us solve the right hand side of this equation. The right hand side of the equation says as x. So this one is the right hand side of the equation. I am going to write right hand side of the equation is x. So instead of x, or I can write this one as, instead of x, I can replace the value of x as, because if you look into the question has given us, what the question has given us? The question has given us x is equal to, look here to the question. The question has given us x is equal to minus 21 upon 31. So I am going to replace the value of x with minus 21 upon 31. So that is what I am going to do here. Now I am going to write, instead of x, this implies minus 21 upon 31. Or simply in same line I can write, right hand side of the equation says x, that is equal to minus 21 upon 31. So therefore what we got right hand side of the equation is equal to minus 21 upon 31. Now guys, if you look here, what we have, if you look here, we got the left hand side of the equation is, if you look here, we got the left hand side of the equation is minus 21 upon 31. What we got? Minus 21 upon 31. Now if you look here for the right hand side of the equation, we got minus 21 upon 31 as well. So we can easily write then, what we can write? We can easily write left hand side of the equation is equal to right hand side of the equation. So we can easily write left hand side of the equation is equal to right hand side of the equation. Hence it is verified that minus into minus x is equal to x. How we verified? We proved left hand side of the equation is equal to right hand side. In that way we verified that the given statement is correct, and we also took the number that the question has given to us. Hope guys you understood this, but still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.